Alright, Insta360 has officially kicked off the X6 teaser campaign, which means we're finally moving beyond pure rumors. Alongside the official teaser, we've also seen new retail images, marketing materials, and fresh claims from well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov. So in this video, let's go through everything we know so far. The biggest news is that Insta360 has officially confirmed the X6 will launch on August 12th, and the company released a teaser carrying the tagline, "Inspiration in every direction." Insta360 has also launched a pre-launch campaign page featuring an X6 giveaway, which is usually a good sign that the marketing rollout is now in full swing. And that's likely why we're suddenly seeing official-looking promotional images appear online. The leaked lifestyle shots showed the X6 being used in a variety of scenarios. One image shows the camera mounted on a cyclist's handlebars, another captures a rider filming with an invisible selfie stick, while others focus on travel and outdoor shooting. And honestly, it's no surprise Igor has these promotional images before launch. He's built a reputation for getting this kind of material early. Now let's talk about the hardware. Multiple leaks continue to point to 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second, which would be an upgrade over the X5. Another major claim is the move to two custom Sony 1/1.1-inch sensors. Interestingly, they're reportedly being marketed as 1-inch equivalent sensors, similar to DJI's approach with the Osmo 360. Rather than describing the physical sensor size, the term refers to an effective imaging area comparable to a traditional 1-inch sensor during 360 capture. The larger sensors should capture more light, resulting in better image quality and noticeably improved low-light performance. Battery life also looks promising. Current reports suggest around 140 minutes of recording at 8K 30 frames per second, which would be a welcome improvement for longer shooting sessions. Another interesting rumor is support for hardware Dolby Vision alongside 10-bit color recording. If accurate, it could bring a more advanced HDR workflow directly to the X6, potentially reducing reliance on software processing while giving creators greater flexibility when grading and exporting HDR footage. But perhaps the most interesting leaks are related to artificial intelligence. According to Igor, and supported by hints in Insta360's own promotional video, the X6 may introduce an entirely new AI-focused imaging pipeline. The camera is rumored to use a 444nm AI chipset, allowing much more image processing to happen directly on the device instead of relying on a smartphone or computer. Another feature he mentions is something called PanoMind, which could automatically render your final edited video while the camera is charging. Instead of waiting for exports after connecting the camera to your phone or PC, much of that processing could already be finished by the time you pick the camera back up. There's also talk of cloud-based editing powered by Google's Gemini AI, although it's still unclear how deeply that integration will go. It could simply provide editing suggestions, or it might automate reframing, highlight generation, and other post-production tasks. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to know exactly what's included. One feature that sounds especially practical is automatic license plate blurring. If it's implemented well, it could save creators a lot of manual editing time when filming on roads or in public places. Overall, everything is lining up for what could be the biggest upgrade to the X series in years. With the launch now just days away, there probably isn't much left to leak, and we'll soon find out which of these rumored features actually make it into the final product. So which feature are you hoping makes the final cut? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.